Hello everyone. Today I would like to discuss about search method or strategy. There are two types of search method or strategy. One is uninformed search and another one is informed search. By its name, you can have the idea or already got the idea what does that mean. If we give a daily life example about like you want to go to a like mountain or give a tour, okay, in your semester break, then what you will do? You will just gather your friends, call up, and then visit that place, like for tour or for enjoyment, isn't it so? So whenever you are traveling without tourist guide, that is uninformed search. And if you are traveling with tourist guide, or it can be said that you are traveling with your parents, okay, you took one of your parents with you in your friends like bachelor's party might be, okay, so that one is what? That one is informed search. This is the real life example. Okay, so they are the like parents. Okay, so uninformed search and informed search, they are the parents. So they have some children also, like they have some types, isn't it so? Everyone has some types. So or some children, right? So uninformed search also have some children, and informed search also have some children. So obviously I will not make any lengthy video so that it will make difficult for you. Obviously as a student, when I was a student, I also didn't watch a lengthy video of 1 hour or 2 hours. So I will try to make it a short video. Okay. So uninformed search. So about uninformed search, already we know that without the tourist guide you are traveling or visiting a place. So there are of main types of uninformed search. What are they? One is BFS. What is it? Breadth first search. Breadth first search. Another one is DFS. DFS is depth first search. Then it comes DLS. Some of might not hear this like around, right? So DLS is depth limited search algorithm. And then comes IDS. Okay, what does IDS means? What stands for? IDS is iterative deepening search algorithm. Okay, and last one is UCS. What this means? This means as it related with cost. Okay, like you want to visit a place around like 50 taka rickshaw like fare or like bus fare will be needed. So that one is cost, right? We all know what is cost is. Okay. So I will not make the video longer as I have told. So BFS. BFS is, I can say that BFS is expand. Wait, I need to remove this. Okay, BFS is expand shallow node first. Shallow node first. BFS is shallow node first. Okay. Then comes DFS. DFS, that is depth first search. The bullet point will be DFS or DFS. The bullet point will be expand deepest node first. You will go to the deepest node at first, or you will to expand through the deepest node first. Okay, then another one is DLS. Okay, DLS is the procedure of DLS will be, you need to at first do DFS. At first do DFS. Then with DFS, you will do DFS with limited depth. Limited depth. Okay, done. And next part is IDS. This algorithm, at first you need to do DLS like the previous one, DLS. Then after doing DLS, you need to DLS increasing depth limit. Depth limit. Okay. And last but not the least, last one is UCS. This is expand. We will be do expansion, expand list. List means lowest cost node first. Okay. So I will make some more videos out of it to explain more about it. It's just that like basic things about uninformed search. Okay, and their types. What are their types and what is the bullet point you need to remember it. Thanks for watching the video. I will post some more videos later on.